Dr. Corazon C. Rubio, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. I'd like to welcome Honorable Julian Coseteng. Mr. Gil Castro, our GPTA President. Of course, our Principal, Dr. Eladio H. Escolano. Parents, fellow teachers, and students, good afternoon and welcome to the induction program of the GPTA and Homeroom PTA officers. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One, as a famous song goes. To offer this gathering to the great Almighty, may I call on Miss Eliza Ferrer, Teacher Board Member of the GPTA, to say a prayer. May I request everyone to please stand.
Our Lord. Lord, whenever the day begins, we always have the thoughts of you. Receive the warmth of your love, and we feel the touch of your holiness. Now, our dear Master, we desire that this day be best for all of us, that the spirit of genuine love, blessed peace, and oneness be in us. As teachers and parents, still in our hearts and in our minds, and that the fruit of our toil in achieving these goals and witness to the joy of works and accepting the will of God. Praise you, our dear God, Lord of heaven and earth. Bless us now that we will have this day a day of wonders, believing that truly we are your beloved children and that you are the only Almighty Father and our protector.